We won the school award at the WasteSorted Awards in 2025. When we did our audit, we realised that we had a big problem with organic waste. It was the students who come up with the idea that they'd like to keep chickens at the school.
We're here at Cluckingham Pallets. These scraps come from the compost bin and then we bring it here to feed the chickens.
There are at least 2 eggs.
So the percentage of waste we had before going to landfill was about 60%. We've now got that to about 30%.
This is coffee grounds, and if you put it in the compost, it can make great soil afterwards.
I am the Environment and Sustainability teacher here at Joondalup Education Support Centre. We have a forward-thinking admin team who decided that a position should be made to embed sustainability practices in all our children as they are going to be our future stewards. And the position has just grown from there, from starting off teaching basic sustainability to now running a whole range of programs. We learn all about environmental issues in the garden, we learn about beneficial insects, we learn about programs such as Containers for Change and a whole lot of recycle and reuse programs at this school. A student voice in planning is vital, because if I can gauge what their interest is, then it's a lot easier to teach the students about the fundamentals of the program. For instance, we had a group of students who were very interested in recycling, so they're now in charge of the recycling bins. It's a natural curiosity because it's all hands-on learning. You get a lot of engagement from the kids. It's just a really exciting area that schools are going to now.